Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Sri Academy. Today in this video, we are going to do the chapter named Rain in Summer. This poem is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. So let's go through the. This is the picture of Henry Longfellow. He was born on February 27, 1807. He died on March 24, 1882. His occupation was poet and professor, alma mater Bowdoin College, spouse Mary Story Potter Frances Elizabeth Appleton. So he had two wives and 6 children. These are the few word meanings. Let's go through them. Narrow, that means limited in extent. Sakra. Broad, having a distance larger than usual. Chauda. Fiery, very hot. बहुत गर्म. Clatters, sound produced due to hitting surface. बारिश गिरने की आवाज़. Tramp, sound of heavy steps. चलने की आवाज़. Gushes, flow out in a rapid. तेजी से बहना. Chamber, the place of living. Room, कमरा. Treacherous, unpredictable. Danger, अनजान, खतरा. So these were the few word meanings. Now let's before reading the poem, let's know short summary of the poem. This poem is quite lengthy poem, so before explaining the poem, I would like to introduce you with the summary. The poem is written by Longfellow on a rain in summer, where he, overjoyed by the shower in a hot day, he opens the poem by exclaiming, "How beautiful is the rain!" which shows his happiness and excitement about rain. He talks about how the drizzle and shower relieves him from the heat and dust of the summer. In this poem, the poet wants to show his excitement and happiness when the rain comes after a long summer time. Here we can say, through the poet's happiness, the happiness of nature and all the human beings and animals are expressed. The poem becomes universal in its thought and theme. In the very first paragraph of the poem, the poet welcomes rain and describes how it is falling in every place to the rain. There is no boundary and difference between narrow lane and a broad street. Actually, it is not partial to anything. It is giving pleasure to each and every one of the universe because the heat of the summer. All the streets are become fiery and hot, and after a long time when rain comes, it become very beautiful and it pleasant. That's why the poet emphasized on the line, how beautiful is the rain. In the second paragraph, the poet elaborates the sound of the rain. When it is falling down, it sounds like the hoofs of the horse. Not only that, as it is a heavy rain, it looks like that it is struggling to coming out from spout. In the next paragraph, he is continuing describing the sound and movement of the rain. He says when it is falling across the window pane, it is quite swift and wide, and the water is completely muddy, and when it is flowing through the gutter, it looks like a stream with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. In the last paragraph, the poet describes how pleasant and comfortable this rain is to sick people who are compelled to stay in there for their health. He can feel the pleasure of rain. He can see the twisted books through. He is ill from inside. He can feel the calmness of rain inside out. The basic idea of the poem is that after a long hot weather, rain is like blessing. It can create a soothing effect even on a sick person. Everything is getting calm and everybody is feeling pleasure of the rain. Thank you for this video. I will conclude the video here only. This was the short summary of the poem. In the next video, I will give you line by line explanation of the poem. Thank you.